Meticulously maintained 2 bedrooms plus den, 2 bathrooms Osprey model condo with oversized garage is offered for sale. First floor, light and bright residence with expansive lake views features wonderful open floor plan. Equipped with 42 cabinets, under cabinet lighting, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops and tile everywhere but the bedrooms, crown moldings, plantation shutters and high-impact energy-efficient hurricane windows. Mirasol at Coconut Point is a maintenance-free gated community of only 200 units with amenities including a clubhouse for entertaining, fitness center, heated resort-style pool with cascading waterfall and a separate covered spa, exercise room and billiards. All that located right across the street from the newly held Coconut Point facility and Coconut Point Mall, which offers an abundance of shopping, restaurants, movie theater and entertainment. Mirasol offers easy access to US 41/Tamiami Trl and I-75. Quick access to Naples, the Southwest Florida International Airport, RSW, or the sandy white beaches of the Gulf of Mexico, all within 20 minutes.